Hello guys, been looking forward to this for a long time. And since our vacation, me and my fiance's vacation is approaching soon, I had to go and get myself a DJI drone. So I've bought the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone with the extra batteries and the RC2 controller. And I just wanted to show you the unboxing of it. Very satisfying. Okay. What do we have here? Got a little black pouch. It's actually some weight to it. I think it weighs about 1.5 kilos, this one. It's nice, a nice pouch that you get in the combo package. You got some room for things here, and open it up. Let's check it out. First of all, we have the controller, the RC2 controller. I'll pack it out soon so you can see how it looks like without the plastic on it. And we got the extra battery pack. Awesome. I've been needing that. And of course the PSD resistance, the actual drone. Very surprised how light it is. I know it's light, but by the looks of it, looks like it would be more heavy. So let's try and open these things. Start with the controller. This plastic here. That sounds never get old. Absolute perfection. Wow, have a look at this. Beautiful. And you can pop up the antennas like this. And then I don't know why the spikes here are so small. I think you actually need to buy some knobs to put on it. For now, it's the controller. Now, let's check out the drone. Here it is. Look at it. Absolutely magnificent. Drone, and of course the extra battery pack. Open it up here. Satisfying. Is there anything else in this? There is actually more things inside. Some extra propellers and a screwdriver charging cable, more propellers. Awesome. More propellers. Another charging things. There's no liquid that comes inside. And then a manual, of course. What surprises me is that there are no knobs for this. It is good, however. That's it. Hope you enjoyed watching. The drone. Very cool.
Hello. Sao?